Have you seen those ads for Revitalyn Gummies? They promise to erase wrinkles, make your skin glow, flatten your belly, and basically reverse aging all in one tasty gummy. These ads talk about something called an aging enzyme in your body, technically known as collagenase, but they rebrand it as the aging enzyme to make it sound scarier. According to the ad, this enzyme becomes overactive after you hit 30 and starts breaking down your collagen and youthful skin cells. They say this is what causes wrinkles, sagging skin, bloating, and even unexplained weight gain. And of course, the only solution to fix it all? Revitalyn Gummies. Now, once you see the ad, you're sent to this long, dramatic video where they tell you the story of a woman named Susan who lost her job at a beauty clinic because her wrinkles were scaring away clients. It's honestly a sad and emotionally manipulative story. She supposedly tried every product and procedure, but nothing worked until she discovered these gummies. Then suddenly her skin turned radiant, her confidence returned, and everything changed. The ad then claims that apple cider vinegar pectin, the main ingredient in Revitalyn Gummies, can block up to 90% of this so-called aging enzyme, regenerate your skin, reduce bloating, and even help you lose up to 12 pounds in just 12 weeks without any exercise or dieting. Before we start, here's a quick disclaimer. This video is for educational and awareness purposes only. We do not promote or endorse any products or supplements shown. All opinions are based on public information and red flags that may suggest misleading or unsafe marketing. Now let's get into why this product raises a lot of red flags. First off, they say the product is FDA approved, GMP certified, and made in the USA. But that's misleading. The ad flashes an FDA approved logo, but if you look closely, there's another logo that says registered in FDA facility, and that's a completely different thing. The FDA does not approve dietary supplements. They only regulate them. Anyone can say they manufacture a product in an FDA-registered facility, but that doesn't mean the product itself is reviewed or approved. It's a sneaky way to gain trust without actually being honest. Then there's this whole idea of the aging enzyme. It's a catchy term made up to sound scientific. In reality, collagenase is a real enzyme. Yes, but mainstream dermatology doesn't call it the aging enzyme. And it's not the single villain behind all your skin and body issues. It's just a small part of a much bigger biological picture. The ad oversimplifies complex health science to sell fear, and that's a major red flag. The ingredient they brag about, apple cider vinegar pectin, isn't some miracle compound. Pectin is just a type of fiber that's naturally found in apples. It has some mild health benefits, sure, but claiming it can erase wrinkles, drop your weight, reduce inflammation, and transform your whole appearance within days? That's just marketing hype, not science. And let's talk about those glowing 5-star reviews on their website. Many of the review images appear to be AI generated. If you run them through any AI image detection tool, most show a 99% chance of being fake. These reviews are likely paid, generated, or copied because real people aren't leaving those kinds of magical results online, especially not in such a uniform, perfect-looking way. Another big issue, they promise visible changes within days, and a 9-pound weight loss in 12 weeks without changing your diet or exercise. That completely goes against what actual medical research says about healthy skin repair and weight loss. These results are just not realistic, and they set false expectations. One more thing I found while digging through their site. If you check their terms and conditions page, it says by accessing the Renew Biome website, you agree to comply with these terms. Wait, Renew Biome? That's not even the product being advertised. That means this website is using recycled scam templates from other fake supplement sites. The scammers are simply changing the product names over time, but the story layout and even testimonials remain the same. They forgot to update this one section, probably thinking no one would notice, but we did. So be careful. These kinds of ads use science-sounding language, emotional stories, and fake urgency to push a product that's likely just overhyped apple pectin with no real proof. And always consult your doctor before taking any supplement. Don't fall for flashy claims and emotional videos. Stay smart, stay safe, and keep your wallet and your health protected.